So good day all and welcome to the South African lawn. Like Owen, so I've scalped, scarified, and I've also spike rolled this lawn. Now the final step of this renovation is top dress. I'm going to be top dressing with sand. So here we go. Okay guys, so this is the sand I'll be using. I've got just over 1 cubic meter. Can't remember if it's 1.25 or 1.5 cubic meters of sand. Should be more than enough. Let's put it on that lawn. Ach, that smells baie lekker. 2 minutes into the video, now a weather delay. Okay, so this weather makes it less than ideal for top dressing. Thank goodness I'm not working with soil because it almost will certainly clump up. But it's dripping a little bit lighter now. Let's continue. Alright, so it's turning into a bit of a dog show here, but I've done quite a nice layer here of top dress. As you can see, check out the Owens, looking lekker, and hopefully this rain will now push it in. I think the leveling is going to be a bit of a mess here with this wet sand, but we'll see how that goes. It's definitely turning into a dog show. Yeah, okay, lekker, and so everything is just getting a little bit too wet now. Even the sand's starting to stick to my shoes and those type of things. So I was hoping that it wouldn't get this wet, but I'm going to leave the sand on the lawn. It's not ideal at all to do top dressing while it's raining because it clumps up and you can't really get it down to fall into the soil. So if it really pours down, it'll probably push some of the sand down, which is not ideal for me because I really wanted to use my lawn leveler to flatten this out. But I'm gonna have to wait. The only reason why I tried to push it and finish it today was I can't do it tomorrow. So I'll have to wait for another 2 days, but hopefully that gives it some time to dry out. Then I can brush the sand nice and even. I've only used just over half of my sand, if I'm guessing. It's maybe, yeah, there's more, yeah, there's probably a half left. It's obviously, I think because it's so short, it just covers the leaf blade so much, and I really don't want to smother this grass type. I can't afford to smother it like I do with kikuyu. So we'll be back in a day or two and we'll finish this sucker. Okay, lekker people, so I'm barefoot here because the sand has got such a nice feeling, and it's still the same day. I fooled you. I got off work a little bit earlier and I've got about 20 minutes now to try and use my leveler to drag the sand into the holes and also into the low areas to get this as flat as possible. Let's see what the outcome is. I must say, this crunchy feeling, it's dried out completely. As you can see, it's lekker windy, so it's dried out completely. Well, I think completely. It feels completely dry underneath my foot. So let's see if we've got good success. Nice copy, Bob. Perfect. Au, nog 'n bysteek. Ai, nou nog 'n bysteek. Ha, hierdie baie. Annie, kom help. Ow.
Sorry, Scopy.
Okay guys, this time it's not Douglas the bee. This time it's another bee.
Is he okay?
Nee. Suig daar.
Nee.
Hy sit nog hier. Ag nee. Au.
Okay, skaap, dis nie so erg.
Dit is baie erg. Jou foon is vol sand. Ja, die bye. I'm so tired of these bees. I got stung on my foot the first time I'm barefoot outside here. Boom, stung by a bee. Don't know why my bees are so angry. You know, the other day when that bee stung me on my eye, everyone said, oh, don't come close to me. I think you've got pink eye. All that nonsense, you know. I'm getting tired of this. If there's a smothered area like this, be sure to just rub it around a lot with a broom or your lawn leveler and just look at the sand fall through and expose the leaf blade. Just like that, people. Lekker man. Ja, nee, lekker mense. So as you can clearly see there, that my lawn leveler has now pushed this dry sand, most of it, in between the grass blades. So I don't think there's any chance of smothering. In fact, I may have even gone a little bit heavier. But I think that's okay for now. I think I'll use that in about a week's time. Let me not overdo it, and I don't have time now. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to fertilize with a lack dosage of nitrogen, and then also I'm going to run my sprinklers for an hour or so to even introduce some more growth. Okay, to encourage more growth, that's the correct word. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh yes, I did a fertilizer application about a week and a half back, so this lawn is actively growing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. If you didn't like it, please dislike this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. This is my aluminium hands. Cheers.